Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to start vlogging as soon as I got the parts, but I was at work, so I couldn't vlog. There's so much noise going on, music and all that stuff. But I started doing it the driver's side first, so let me guys show you what I'm doing. But finally got my angle kit thanks to Khalil. He's the one that draws the R32. So I got Naoki's knuckles or heat maker, and then I replaced it with Maxima tie rod. This is 2004, I think. This is the longest one. So let me show you guys. Oh, hold on, let me get a light. All right, we got a light. So let me guys show you this beautiful knuckles. I don't know why it's flickering, but let me show you guys from the outside. And then they finally came in. These are angles, so they're like, you know, if you guys know about the knuckles, they cut them to make it shorter, whatever. And then I got the villain's arms extended. Sorry, this is a 25 millimeter, I think it is. This side is done already. Still gotta do alignment, but you know, so far we got the knuckles here, the tie rods, Maxima. So I might get this going. So today is gonna be the first part of the video, cause Saturday I'm drifting, so I'm gonna put them to the test, cause I don't know, I never had like a angle kit on none of my 240s before. So I'm gonna test them out. So let me put them on. I'm gonna do the alignment, and then Saturday I'll show you guys how it handles. Should be fun. I don't know, because I had the TN tie rods with the little spacer, the little tiny spacer, this little thing. So I mean, it gave me some angle. There you go. I feel like everybody does this upgrade when you get a 240. But now we got these bad boys over here with the extended arms. But yeah, before I finish, let me guys show you something. So when I got my arms from Villains, right, it came with this little envelope. I thought it was gonna be like the receipt, or you know, the invoice. So I open it. Bear with me. So they get the little, you know, fuck stickers. Cool. And then they came with this. I have like no idea. I guess they're trying to be funny, but it looks pretty cool. I might test it out on the track and see how it is.
You shit your pants? You shit your pants? You shit your pants. It's okay if you shit your pants.
Yo, alright guys, it's Saturday morning. Good afternoon, good morning to everybody who's ever watching. We got Daniel over there, he's getting ready. I don't know if you guys can see him. And then we got Jeff over there. But anyways, I'm gonna be testing out the knuckles today. I'm gonna be testing the knuckles. Hopefully it's a lot different than OEM, it's more responsive. So I came to Swing Set. I don't think the guy is here anymore. His name is Jason. He's probably somewhere else, but I already got inspected. I got my tech inspection, my number 17. Hopefully it's a lucky number. But I'm gonna go on the track. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, and I'll see you guys. Alright guys, sad day today for Jeff.
He was so hot.
He was so
hot, dude. Pour it out. And pour it out for the dead ones.
for the dead ones.
My nigga Joe.
So there's another one right there. So we're assuming fuel line broke off or something like that, and it caught on fire. I mean, you can still fix it. Don't lose hope, Jeff. Don't lose hope. We still got it.
The animal style shirt.
It's the animal style.
You were an animal. An animal.
Well, we shall fix it. It's not that bad. What do you think?
Could be worse. Could have went into the wall.
What do you guys think? How many likes we can get if Khalil lets him drive his 32?
Comment below.
Comment below. Smash like. If we can get 1,000 likes,
Khalil will let him drive. Naked. Let him drive naked.
On the straight's my favorite. It's like
Close to red line, I'm like,
yeah.
Yo guys, what's going on? Okay, we are back in my room. I forgot to finish the vlog, so let me finish it for you guys right now. Personal experience, love it. Huge difference, huge. It's like from stock to this, I was like surprised. I was like mind blown. So I'll just let you guys find out when you guys get yours. But definitely, I definitely recommend getting knuckles or angle kit, whatever you want to call it. But let me give you a little parts breakdown of my setup. So I have a heat maker knuckles. I have Maxima 2008 Maxima inner and outer tie rods. They're like the longest tie rods I could ever find. And I have a 25mm Villains lower control arms. So that's my angle, and then feels amazing. So you guys can, you don't have to do it my way. You can, you know, get as a kid. I got mine like piece by piece because I had different brands. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So make sure you practice and practice because you get a lot better drifting. Seat time is the one thing you need to get to be better, obviously, because I feel like most of the people like overbuild their cars, which I kind of did, but that's, I guess, experience. You know, we all go through that. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you got any questions. I'll let you know. I'll be more glad to answer any questions you got. But I don't know. Probably next video I'll get something else. I'll buy something. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.